Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on Spotify, firstly open your Spotify application. The home page of Spotify will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on settings and privacy option. Scroll all the way down to language section and click on app language option. Tap on continue to select your language and on the next page choose the language, and that is how you will be able to change your language on Spotify quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.